How to use keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Teams. Well, using keyboard shortcuts for Microsoft Teams is pretty simple. All you gotta know is you'll have to know all the shortcuts. For example, now even if you don't know it, you don't have to worry about it. You can either Google it, or the other option is, as you can see here. For instance, I'm on the chat page here on Microsoft Teams. Now I want to know the shortcut for creating a new chat. If you hover your mouse around the new chat icon here, you can see the keyboard shortcut is given right there, Ctrl plus N. So if I want to use now keyboard shortcut, then I can just press Ctrl plus N and a new chat will open up here real quick. So it's pretty simple, right? You want to hold Ctrl and N and you can see the new chat is popped up here. Similarly, the other option is you can see the filter option. This shortcut for filter option is Ctrl plus Shift plus F. And so all the shortcuts will be given right there if the shortcut is available. So you can check it out and you can use it easily. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.